On this video today, I'm going to show you a very easy and simple strategy that you can use to make money online from home wherever you are in the world. This is one of the beginner friendly methods that you can use to make money online from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The method that we are going to be using today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products through a link, and when people purchase the product through your specific link, you will be earning a commission. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote other people's products and then earn a commission per sale. There are many platforms where you can get products to promote. Those platforms are called affiliate marketing networks. So to begin with this method, you need to join an affiliate marketing network. There are many of them. We have ClickBank, we have DigiStore24, we have JVZoo, we have Amazon, and the rest. There are a lot of them. In this case, we are going to be using DigiStore24. You can see this is my DigiStore24 account. So search for DigiStore24. It is available worldwide. Once you search for it, you can be able to register for an account. Once you register for an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. To find a product, click right here, marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, select all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select a specific product that you can promote. There are several ways by which you can get a specific product to promote. If you want a specific category of products, what you need to do is that you have to come this section right here. Once you are here, you can see they have shipping products. These are physical products that you can promote to earn a commission per every sale that you get. They have services, they have events and seminars, they have digital products. These are downloadable products that you can sell to others and then earn a commission per every sale that you get. They have them in different categories. So what you need to do is that you have to select the category that you are interested in. So if you are a content creator, you have to select a category that match the content that you create on any social media platform that you are using. For example, if you create content about business and investment, you can click on business and investment. Betting systems, you can select that. Email marketing, family and children, you can select that, and many others. You can see a whole lot of them. They have fun and games, food and drink. They have home and garden, hotels, languages, law and justice, online marketing, and e-business. So any of these categories that you want, you can select to promote. Apart from the categories, you can also come right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, you can sort the products based on popularity. You can sort the products based on earning per sale. You can sort the products based on earning per card vista, publication date, card conversion, and then cancellation rate. So any of these factors that you want, you can use it to sort the products to promote. What I usually do is that I select the card conversion rate. The card conversion rate is simply the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the card conversion rate, the likelihood that you're going to get a lot of sales when targeted people click on it. It is not just any kind of clicks. We have targeted clicks. Targeted clicks are the people who really need the product. For example, if you are promoting a weight loss product, you must target people who want to lose weight. So once you get the people who wants to lose weight, if they click on the link of the product, there's a likelihood that they will purchase it. But if you promote it randomly to anyone on the internet, you might get low sales because some people don't need to lose weight. They've just seen the link or the flyer online. That is why they click on it. So you have to always find targeted traffic. So the card conversion is talking about the targeted traffic. So make sure you always find a targeted traffic. Even if the card conversion is high, you have to still find a targeted traffic so that you can get a lot of sales. In this case, I'm going to sort the products based on card conversion rate. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are products that have the highest cart conversion rate. You can see cash flows, secret, member area, video courses. This is one of the products that have higher cart conversion rate. You can see a whole lot of them. You are going to be earning $74.44 per every sale that you get. When I scroll down, you can see this is another product. You are going to be earning $107.70. You can see this is another product. You are going to be earning $7.53, and you can see a whole lot of different products and the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So you can select any of these products. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this is the cart conversion rate, 39%. So it means if you promote it to the right people, you are likely going to get a sale. Since the cart conversion rate is high, assuming you promote it to 100 targeted people, you can get 39% of those people making a purchase. That is 39 people making a purchase. So for example, let's say you get 39 people purchasing this product, you can multiply that number by $74. You can see that you are going to be making a lot of money. When you scroll down, you can see this one, the commission rate is even higher and the cart conversion rate is also high. So you can select any of these products because they are already selling. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can also promote any product of your choice. This is a new product and it is already trending. That is why I'm promoting it. You can decide to promote this one because the commission rate is high. There's no problem with that. Just select any of the products that you want. If you can also select this one, there's no problem with that. All that you need to do is that you have to make sure you are getting sales with the product that you are promoting. The most important thing is that you should be getting sales. So you just select any of these products. In this case, I'm selecting this one. It is one of the best. So let me click on it. Now, once you click on the product, you can view the landing page to see how the product looks like. So just click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you can be able to see what the product looks like, what your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. You can see this is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. You can see they have a video that your potential visitors have to watch, and then this notification will pop up for them to enter their details so that they can get access to the product. Once they enter their details, they make a purchase, you are going to be earning $74. You can see all the details about the product. You can see everything. Now what we are going to be doing is that we have to begin promoting the product. We have to get our affiliate link and then promote it to other people so that they can make a purchase for us to make money. To get your affiliate link, you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, your affiliate link is now ready. Just click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. You can promote it to people anywhere so that they can click on it and then view the product. Once they are interested, they can make the purchase for you to earn money. Now, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source. A traffic source is simply a platform where you can get people to click on your link. There are many platforms where you can get people to click on your link. Some of them you have to pay, others you don't need to pay. For example, on Facebook, you can decide to post it for free if you already have many followers. You can also decide to pay for Facebook ads so that you can reach people at a specific location, or you can also decide to target people who have a specific age. So it all depends on you. Apart from Facebook, you can promote it on TikTok and any platform at all that you can get people to click on your link. In this case, I'm going to show you a free method where you can get people to click on your link, make a purchase, and you are going to be earning money for free without investing anything. One of the best platforms where you can get people to click on your link and then make a purchase for you to earn money without paying for anything is classifiesfactor.com. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, publish your ad for free. So you can promote your products on this platform for free without paying for anything. When you scroll down, you can see they are available in different countries. You can target any country that you want. For example, if you want to target people who live in the United States, you can do that. Canada, Australia, India, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, UAE, the United Kingdom. So any country that you want, you can target it. You can see a whole lot of them. In the United States, you can see the different states where you can target your ad and then get the right people to make a purchase for you to earn a commission on DigiStore24. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we have to begin promoting the product on this platform, since we are not going to be paying for anything and it is also effective. So just click right here, publish your ad for free. Once you click on it, it has to go through a human verification process. Now, once you have been verified as a human being, the next step is that you have to select the ad type. So just scroll down, you can see free ad posting, post free ads, free online ad posting, free business ad posting, and the rest. So just click on post free ads. You can see select ad type. What you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then select the ad type. You can see they have individual ad type, business ad type, and others. This is an individual, so select it. You are an individual, you are not a business. Select that and then click on continue. Once you click on it, now the next step is that you have to select one of these three options. So select the first one. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to scroll down. So scroll down to the bottom and then select the country that you want to target. United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK. These are tier 1 countries. These are countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of these countries so that you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. So in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select United States. Once you select the United States, the next step is that you have to scroll down, choose your preferred contact method. So let's select by email. Once you select that, you have to scroll down and then choose a category. You can see a whole lot of them. The product that we are promoting is about how to make money. So we have to find a category that is related to that. You can see all these are categories that you can select. You can see all these are categories. So just select any of them that you want. So just scroll up and then select this option right here. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing title and a description. So you have to enter a description and a title for your ad. What you need to do is that you have to come back on DigiStore24. You can see this is the title of the product. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, if you don't know how to write a better description, you can use ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek to write a very useful description for you. So let's use ChatGPT. Once you are on ChatGPT, paste the title here and then you have to write a prompt like this. Write an ad title and a description for this title. Or you can say this product, whatever that you want, just type it for this product. Just type something like this and then click on send. You can see this is option 1 and we have option 2. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select option 1. So highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back and then paste your title here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy your description and then paste it. So highlight your description and then copy it. Once you copy it, come back and then paste it right here. That has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see continue. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to enter your address. Enter your address right here. So what you need to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for fake address generator. Just search for fake address generator. Search for fake address generator. Once you search for it, you are going to find an address in the United States. You can see US rail address. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get an address in the United States for free. You can see this is an address. You can see this one right here. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy the address, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can see you have to enter the price of the product. So come back on DigiStore24. Once you come back, you can see this is the price of the product. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on continue. Once that is done, you can see contact info. What you need to do is that you have to enter your name and address. So just enter your name. Once you enter your name, enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, the next step is that you have to select the country that you are targeting. Once you click on it, you have to select the country that you are targeting. So you are targeting the United States, so you have to find the United States. Just scroll down to the button to search for United States. You can see right here, this is United States. Click on it. Once you select it, the next step is that you have to click right here, region. Select any region that you want. You can select California. Once that is done, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see publish your listing. You have to publish it. You can see you have to enter your phone number. That is optional. Apart from that, you have to upload images of the product. You can see you can upload images of the product right here. You can search for the images of the product on Google and then use them on your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select it, right click on the image, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to find another image and then download it. So let's click on this one right here. Once you have an image of the product, the next step is that you have to upload it. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click right here, click and drag for upload images. You can upload up to 4 images. So just click on it, select your image and then upload it. You can see it is uploading. Just wait for it to upload. You can see the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, you can enter your phone number right here. But in this case, I'm not going to enter my phone number. So just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. You can see website URL. This is the most important part because this is where you have to enter your affiliate link. If your affiliate link is not included, when people see the product, they have nowhere to click and then purchase it so that you can make money. So this is the most important aspect. Now, what you have to do is that you have to go on DigiStore24, copy your affiliate link and then paste it right here. So just come back on DigiStore24. Once you come back, click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see publish your ad listing label. So scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see it is a new product. So select it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can enter your WhatsApp number. So we don't need it. So just skip and then click on continue. From this step, any of the details that you don't want to enter, you can ignore all of them and then go ahead to publish your ad. Once you enter all your details, you are going to see a page like this. Complete the posting and ad process by pressing this submit button. So now you have to click right here, submit, so that your ad can be submitted to the website. So click on submit. Once you click on it, your ad has been posted to the website. You can see right here, your listing has been received. It will be reviewed. So they are going to review your ad. If it is not harmful, they can publish it and you are going to be getting people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to make money. So what you need to do is that you have to keep on posting. Make sure you post a lot of products and the different categories so that you can get people to view your ads and then click on them. Anytime people like the products that you are promoting, they can make a purchase for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.